Hi everyone and welcome back to Praks Art Gallery. I hope you all are doing good. So nowadays I'm doing a lot of freehand practice where I'm drawing, faces using the Loomis method and different gestures. So in this video we are going to talk about gestures drawing. And gesture drawing is mainly about capturing the flow very quickly. And to measure the time I am using this hourglass. So, in gesture drawing, we observe very closely the overall form, the movement, and the key lines of in the subject what we are trying to draw. Apart from that, we also identify the flow in which we observe or look for action lines or the main direction of the movement in the pose. So here I am first of all drawing the main direction or the action line of the pose, and then I'll be adding more shadows and some of the another lines to demonstrate muscles and all, which will complete my gesture drawing. So let's proceed with it and enjoy the process. And so watch this video till the end, and if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you are liking this content or you expect more sort of this type of content, then do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out any notification for any video upload in future. Now let's proceed with it. I hope you enjoyed the process and got to learn how to draw gestures. And if you're interested in drawing hands and how to draw hands in a different direction with one simple technique, you can check out this video, which is very helpful to draw any type of hand gestures movement with a very simple one technique. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.